Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I'm glad to be here again because I'm doing a product review from Ritual, and I'm going to show you how I take up my makeup at night, and then in the weekends how I take care of my face. It's such a relaxing moment when I do this all the time. So I would like you to stay and enjoy the tutorial. It's been a busy day. I just got back and I'm really so tired. Like, I got back and I went straight to the kitchen, and I've been cooking till now, and I'm so tired. Like, my makeup is really worn out. So what I'm just going to do is quickly take my Ritual mouth face milk cleaner. I'm just going to take a pad and just wipe it out. I'm just gonna do this really quick because it's not going to take too long to do this and wipe out. Oh, I've been dying to take out my makeup. I've been dying to take out my makeup, and this milk smells really soft. Keep wiping out, adding a little bit more of the milk. I like to spray it on my face, and then I begin to wipe out. You don't need to wash your face if you don't want to. Like, when I'm really tired, this is the method I do. And the next morning I take the creamy to wash my face in the morning, or the face cleanser. As you can see, well, it depends on the quantity of makeup you have on, will determine the quantity of makeup that will go off your face. So that's it, guys. That's it for tonight. And I think my face is clean to go to bed. Tomorrow I'm gonna wash anything left on my face. I don't add any cream on my face to sleep because this already is a milk. It protects the skin, and my face is set and I'm ready to go to bed. But right now I'm really so tired and I want to go to bed. Good night. So this morning I'm going to take my Wonder Mask Purifying Mask face mask made with charcoal and black mud from Ritual. It came with a bowl. I do this routine every weekend, so add some into it. Once I have the quantity of face masks I want to use on my face, I would add like let's say 3 milliliters of water. Yes. So that's it, with water inside of it, and then I'll stir it. Make sure I stir it properly so the water and the mud can mix together. I keep stirring, and stirring, you know, just to get the proper mix. And once it's done, I'll start applying on my face. So remember, the first step, if you want to be really precise, you need to do the T section, which is your forehead and your nose. Let me come closer so you can see your nose. Continue with the T section. not too close to the brows. Yeah, I got it. Then keep painting. I'll just keep painting. I'll avoid all the hair parts on my face, like my side bogs. Just my face. Yeah, got it. It's not necessary to put too much mud on this. Just a little bit is okay. As you can see, I just put little bits mixed with water, and I have enough for my face. And this process needs to be done once a week. Please, just once a week. Don't overdo it, because too much of everything is bad, you know. Because it might be probably taking too much from your face. There we go. So we have the mud. I have the mud on my face. I'm just retouching it. And I'm going to wait about 15 to 20 minutes to let it dry. And once it's dry, you can see it's already drying up. But to properly let it dry on your face, you need about 15 to 20 minutes. The description is behind the sachet, so you don't need to worry too much about what you need to do. All the steps are behind, is written behind. So that is it. Simple as ABC. There we go. I look scary, right? Yeah, I know. Okay, but you see, I've emptied it. I didn't use too much, just a little bit. The brush that came with the mud, and voila. Well, I'll wait for it to dry up, and then I'm going to wash it out. This is my notes, my to-do list notes. I'm just going to go through it quietly while the mask is drying up, and get my mind ready for next week. So see you in a bit. That looks scary. Whatever. It's fashion. What can't you do for beauty? Everything. Almost everything. We women can do almost everything for beauty. So, hey baby, are you scared of my face? No, I don't think so. Yeah, so now it's totally dry after 20 minutes. And I feel like my face is stiff. I can hardly move it. But this is actually what you want to get, you know, after applying the mud. So make some scary face. Anyway, it's like it's falling off my face. I'm just going to go to the bathroom. I'll wash it out, and I'll come back with the next product. Washed it out with lukewarm water, and I'm going to dry it with a towel. After drying it, I'll take the exfoliant brightening face exfoliator from Ritual too, and I'm gonna apply a little bit on my palm, and now I'll scrub it on my face. I'll do it in the form of anti-clockwise way, kind of way, and scrub my forehead, because if you can see clearly I have some spots. Okay, so this will help take it out. I do this, it's recommended anyway, it's recommended to do this once a week. Scrub, scrub, scrub all the parts, you know, that are necessary. Then you need to take out those black spots, that pimples. I like the scrub hat because let's say the sand in it is little, it's not too harsh, so it's cool to scrub hat if you want. Then I'm gonna wash it out and I'll be back again. Okay, so this time I'm gonna use the last step of all these, let me say wahala means beauty trouble, but I love it though. I'm going to use the creamy foam cleanser. It's called foam because it has foam in it. It's quite liquid. I'm going to take a little bit. And then you can see it's creamy. I want to put on my face because I had some water on my face. This time I didn't dry the water on my face. And I'm just gonna use it, rub it all over my face to make sure it takes out every substance I applied earlier on my face. See? Normally after I finish doing this, I don't wash it immediately. I leave it to stay on for like a minute. You can leave it for 2 minutes if you want, but that's probably too long. Or once you just scrub everything, you feel like your face is clean enough, then you're good to go. So I'm just gonna leave it on because I'm gonna be having a cool bath with a lot of foam in it. So I'm just gonna be relaxing with this on my face, obviously. And once the bath is done, I'm gonna wipe it out, wash it out with lukewarm water. My warm bath, I'm gonna be using the Heavenly Bath. It's something I got and it's my first time of using it, so I'm gonna try it with this one. But this, I'm sure about it, it does wonder in the water and it smells nice, really. I'm just gonna soak myself for 30 minutes. I'm feeling all new and fresh. I would love you to try it, really. You're gonna understand what I mean. Thank you all for staying by and watching. And I would like you to join the family by subscribing if you haven't subscribed. And those of us that have subscribed, you can always share it and like it.